Alright, I'm down here in this creek, Waren County. Came up on something hidden up underneath this ledge. Alright, let's see if we can see it here. Okay, there it is. I don't know if it's whole or not, we'll find out. I hope it's broken. Nope. It's been reworked. It's got a chip right there. It's been reworked. Alright, that's number one. Came out of the bank of this wash. It's awful bright. You know, maybe I'll get another one. Oh, by the way, it's September 12th at 9:22 a.m. Some decent colors in it. Just got in the creek probably 25 minutes ago. We had a really good rain, so I'm hoping something will show up again. It kind of feels ground too. Thin. Alright, goodbye.